Good morning, sir. I am Hemadri. I am doing Bachelor of Technology in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering from Annamachara Institute of Technology and Sciences at Rajampet. Thank you for giving this opportunity to present a paper conference on Reader for Blind using the Raspberry Pi. These are the overview of my topic: objective, abstract, introduction, literature survey, proposed method, block diagram of proposed method, results, summary or conclusion, and then references. Coming to the objective, the main objective of this project, Reader for Blind using the Raspberry Pi, is that it helps to visually impaired persons to get to know the context present in a paper without any help of the second person. Generally, blind person doesn't see anything which is in front of their eyes. Because of that reason, they suffer. They take help from another person to know the context present in a paper or to know something present on in front of their eyes. So they will know the languages of Braille, which is very difficult to learn. And we are proposing a reader for blind, which is based on using the Raspberry Pi. This is abstract. Nowadays, the visually impaired people use it to read the context while learning Braille. Braille is a system of writing for the blind that uses the characters made up of erased dots. In this process, the person who is blind need to learn the Braille. He should take the help of the person to read and understand the context. To avoid such problems here, we are proposing a reader for blind using the Raspberry Pi. It has been built around Raspberry Pi processor board, including peripherals like camera, speaker, and LCD, which acts as the interface between user and system. Input will be taken from the camera, that text will be converted into speech, and the output will be from speaker. These are some of the keywords in my project. That is Raspberry Pi, optical character recognition, and then camera. Coming to the introduction, blind and poor vision persons make up roughly 2 to 3% of worldwide people nowadays. People who seems to be vision impaired, blind are individuals whom lack of sense of sight and unable to perceive an item. We are all aware that people who plan to use their own script language is called Braille, which is made up of dots on the paper, which is quite tough to master because it is difficult to learn and difficult to understand. To solve the issue of visually challenged or blind persons reading the text and documents, as a result, we must create a device that reads to text or documents and outputs a signal. This device helps them to overcome those problems. Generally, we have two technologies to develop this device. They are optical character recognition and text-to-speech. Optical character recognition is converted the images into machine understandable language, and text-to-speech is a library which is in Python to convert the text into speech. In this, a camera is used to capture the image of the content present in a paper, and then finally converted the content will be read out by the speaker. This is the introduction. And coming to the why we develop a reader for blind people, need and importance. According to the World Health Organization, there are 285 million people are estimated to be visually impaired worldwide. This graph shows the total blindness and economic blindness, one eye blindness people ratios. This is the urban area and this is the rural area, and compare both the averages. This is source. So this type of project will help the people who are visually impaired because of lack of economical issues. They doesn't purchase high level machineries. In my project, around there is a low cost around 6,000. It may be useful for blind people to know the context present in a paper. Literature survey. And coming to the existing methodology is a Braille, which is made up of dots on a paper. According to Srija, the Braille system, which is really is a code system comprising the dots representing a characters on alphabet, is now used to assist the blind people to read. Because not all books exist in Braille, a visual impaired person's books collection is restricted. The current study intended a wearable scanner that uses a high-resolution tiny camera to collect real-time photographs of a textual information from a book using only a Raspberry Pi microcontroller. Because of Braille, which is difficult to learn and difficult to understand, there is some limitations also. Lack of sources, and it is difficult to read and write. It is a time-consuming process. Based on these parameters, we feel that it is a difficulty and difficult to understand and write and read. To overcome these limitations, we are going to the proposed methodology. We proposed a smart device that assists the visually impaired, which is effectively and efficiently read the paper printed text. This is the our project blocks. This is the Raspberry Pi board, and this is the display, which is what are the commands running in the Raspberry Pi. It will show in the display. This is the power supply for Raspberry Pi board, which is a cam which is connected to the Raspberry Pi. Either it is a USB cam or a Pi cam. It is a speaker which is connected to the audio port of the Raspberry Pi. Here power supply and rectifier and regulator. Rectifier converts the AC signal into DC signal, and regulator converts which amount of we need voltage it gives to the display and Raspberry Pi. Coming to the block diagram, this is a block diagram consisting of Raspberry Pi and camera and speaker. Here Raspberry Pi is a microcontroller. AC power supply and rectifier regulator comes under the one adapter, just like our mobile charger, which is connected to the Raspberry Pi. It gives the supply 5 volts to the Raspberry Pi, and camera is connected to the Raspberry Pi port. Either it is a Pi camera and USB cam. Speaker is connected to the audio jack of the Raspberry Pi. Coming to the operation can be done by using this process. First of all, we capture the image using the camera and then object detection. After that, we used some amount of enhancement in the image using image processing. After that image is converted into text by using the OCR technology. After that, the text is converted into speech using TTS engine in Python. The framework is based on the implementation of image capture approach is an integrated system based on the Raspberry Pi board. The conversion of recorded images of textual content into encoded text, which is as a OCR. OCR is a technique for detaching and proposing non-computing text. The output devices are fed into the final recognized text document. The output device must be a speaker attached to the Raspberry Pi board that reads the text and document aloud. The audio output obtained from the Raspberry Pi's audio connector. For added convenience, the speaker may be replaced with a headphone. It is based upon our optional and our need. These are the some results. Text is taken from the camera and it is converted to the audio. This is the proposed hardware module. Here it is the capture the image by using the cam. After that, this image is converted into text using OCR technology. This text is converted into audio.
Timely progress monitoring is essential for the success of a large-scale construction project. Mobile computing and image processing have been investigated as a means of automating progress monitoring. This project presents an interactive mobile crack monitoring system to enhance the existing monitoring practices. Crack detection is the process of detecting cracks in building walls and also concrete surfaces. Crack detection can be done in two ways. One is destructive testing and another one is non-destructive testing. Crack detection should be done accurately by measuring the dimensions of the cracks for reliability. Human inspection is time consuming and slower, hence automatic crack detection methods is being adopted as its processing speed is better than that of human inspection. Image-based crack detection has been increased rapidly. Accuracy of results is the major reason behind adoption of image processing methods for crack detection. The major advantage of using image processing techniques in
Coming to the summary or conclusion, we used the Raspberry Pi to create an image to text speech conversion mechanism. The simulation results were successfully validated as well as the hardware output checked using the several samples. Finally, I conclude that my device is useful for blind people to know the context present in a paper without help of the second person. These are some of the references. Thank you.